I'm going to show you how you can become a Wolt partner account. First off, you have to go to Google and then you want to type in Wolt partner like this. Now on Wolt partner, wait for it to load and you want to tap on the first one here. You want to tap on become a Wolt courier partner, apply as a courier here, right? So just tap on this Wolt courier partner. Now, once on this website, you will need to apply. This is basically you applying for a job here, right? Since you're becoming a Wolt courier. Now on here, you will have to put in your first name, your last name, your email address, the language you speak, your date of birth, your US phone number, your delivery country, your delivery city, your delivery vehicle, and your career partner referral code. You will need one, a career partner referral code. Now, after that, there's going to be a couple of processes you need to go through, like verifying your account, your introduction. You need to download the app. There's going to be a contract you need to read and sign to as well. And then you will get your gear along with it as well. So again, go to this website, career.wolt.com/en/apply.